we're coming back with a team which is so successful, which is Rockstar, and that is A.R. Rahman, Mohit Chauhan, Imtiaz Ali, Irshad Kamil. Talk to me about this team and why it works like this.
I think over the years we've become close friends. We've hung out and interfered in each other's lives a bit too much. So we are very open and free with each other, all of us. All of us, like the three of us, respect Rahman sir a lot. And we will cover for each other for sure. For
How
sure.
lovely.
Yeah. So if it is Mohit Chauhan's is singing, if he's singing, then he will make sure that I'm there. And
Correct.
he will arm twist me in any way that, I have actually not slept for 3 nights in Rockstar during the shoot because I was shooting in Delhi and coming to Chennai for the recording and going back. Obviously, the recording in Chennai was happening at night. And so we do this and we have a sense of, like recently, I was talking to Irshad and I was saying that it doesn't matter what we've done. Is this good for you? Like, are we enjoying this? Is this something that we want to say?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Forget about history, geography.
Yeah.
ये है हमारा, हमको feel होता है ये चीज जो हम कह रहे हैं. So we are always thinking of that how like Irshad and I have this, or Rahman sir and I. Rahman sir said when I went to him for Chamkila to saying that fine, this is there, but we must find out why you and I want to come together for a Chamkila. What is it that why do we have to do this together?
Yeah.
Why not anything else? And that was the beginning of the discussion on the music of Chamkila. So I think we are informal enough with each other to break certain barriers which might come in the way of making something which is good and unique. We can second guess each other. We can see if I can say to Irshad, who I've worked with a lot, to say that this is fine, Irshad, but I think you are better than this.
Yeah.
And that really puts him on fire. And that's the worst thing he wants to hear from me.
Yeah.
But we are informal. We hang out, we joke, we use bad words with each other. Not so much with Rahman sir. Rahman sir uses a lot of bad words in our company to say, you know what, I heard this. I was like, अरे यार ये आदमी ऐसा बोल भी कैसे रहा है? ये लफ्ज कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकता है?
It's so hard to pick a favorite, but I have mine.
हाँ.
And I'm going to throw mine at you and you're going to throw yours at me. Okay, so let's go back to Rockstar. And my favorite is शहर में हूँ मैं तेरे.
So funny. The one
कितने
song.
कमाल के गाने हैं साउंड ट्रैक में, लेकिन रोहिणी रामनाथन को ये गाना क्यों पसंद है?
Wow.
एक डिफायंस है उस गाने में. जॉर्डन की पर्सनालिटी उस गाने से शुरू होती है, दिखती है.
जी.
और शायद इसी वजह से मुझे बहुत पसंद है. शायद इसका भी गम है कि वो खत आया नहीं मेरे पास. Yours.
चिट्ठी डालूंगा.
चिट्ठी डाली थी आऊंगा मैं तेरे घर, मेल भी किया था मैं. Oh my
तेरी
God,
ID
इरशाद
पर.
भाई कहाँ हो आप यार?
ओके. तो ट्रेन का भी, लॉज का भी.
आके जरा दिल तो देने से. ट्रेन का
इतनी घटिया लिरिक्स, इतनी घटिया.
यूपी बिहार में तो धमाल मचा देगा.
हाँ, वो भी जो यूपी बिहार में कमाल मचा देगा. वो भी हमारे आर्ट डायरेक्टर को हमने बुलाया था कि बंगाली एक्सेंट में आप बोलो ये सब. सो हाँ, वो गाना अजीब सा है यार. मतलब वो रहमान सर की, वो हमने एक खराब गाना बनाना था कि एक खराब गाना बज रहा है. शहर में हूँ मैं तेरे, मतलब उसमें कोई, मतलब एकदम ही ऐसा खराब गाना. रहमान सर वाज लाइक ओके.
रहमान सर like I have to make a bad song.
बैड सॉन्ग जिसमें कोई सुर नहीं, कोई जॉय नहीं है. देयर इज नो जॉय. देयर इज लाइक अ जॉयलेस, लाइफलेस composition. So he's trying to make that. So पहले बात तो वही बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग था. उसके बाद फिर मैं बनाया. फिर ऑब्वियसली ये था कि उसको, मगर सॉन्ग ये था कि जब जॉर्डन गाने की कोशिश करता तो वो इतना लाइफलेस गा ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड म्यूजिशियन. वो दिल से गाता है, तो दिल से उसका इतना लाइफलेस आ नहीं सकता. दैट वाज द होल थिंग. सो या that was
What's your favorite from Rockstar? Tough it is, I know.
No, I like फिर से उड़ चला.
Love it. Yeah.
Because क्या होता है ना, when you're working on songs and I you were just saying in the beginning of this that you are very thankful that there are songs in our lives, in our movies, and I am also very thankful because there's nothing I enjoy as much as I enjoy music in film.
Absolutely.
And more than even enjoying music per se, I enjoy the process of making, shooting, and being involved in that. That is what does it for me, actually, as far as music is concerned. And so, of course, Phir Se Ud Chala had a very different kind of a making.
Yes.
It was the first song that Rahman made. But after so much involvement, you stop being able to even listen to those songs on your own.
Yeah.
अपनी फिल्म के गाने मैं नहीं सुन सकता हूँ, मैं नहीं सुनना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज हो गया मेरा मतलब उनसे वो खत्म हो गया हर एक गाने से,
बिल्कुल.
because I have really
Overheard it.
overheard them,
Overanalyzed.
I've overlived them, everything, every lyric, every word, every note, every musician, everything, you know. So अब मेरा हो गया उस गाने से, ऐसा होता है. बहुत कम गाने हैं जो मैं खुद अब भी सुन सकता हूँ कहीं प्ले हो तो. फिर से उड़ चला is the number one in that list.
Just to